Hello guys, my name is Satyendra Punya. I am your anchor, I am your mentor, and also that my channel is really helping that you can grow your and upgrade your skill, that English speaking skill. Because right now, what is the current situation? You will have to speak English in Indian embassy also. Okay, if you just apply for some passport and visa, even Indian embassy really want that you really should be at least a good English speaker. With otherwise, they will tell you that first just took 3 or 4 month English speaking course, then we will take a test, oral test, then we will allow and give you that permit to visa. Okay, so now you can easily see that it's very important that you really should speak English. And look guys, also my channel is helping that your problem advisor. Look guys, the information which I am giving, I am providing, my channel is providing, no coaching institute, no school college will tell you, even your parents, your relatives won't tell you. Okay, because first of all I'm telling you, no one want to see you happy. First of all I'm telling you, if you really want to be happy, live happy, you have to make your happy yourself. And look guys, also I'm telling you, I'm suggesting you very clear thing. Many content creators are afraid to make a content just because they are shaming of their society, their house. Don't be ashamed. Okay, don't be ashamed, because right now content creating is the only one option that you really can start in your home. Otherwise online business, online sell and buy, you can start with some kind of tool, I mean mobile gadgets, and look, 10, 20,000, 50,000 salary you will earn. Okay, I mean you will earn, I mean even a peon. Okay, if you just apply to a peon, okay, 12,000, 50,000 anyone will give you. But I am really want that you really shouldn't become a slave. Okay, this is exactly ma'am, because I'm telling you, no one want to see your progress, your success, no one. So you have to take your life on your own hand. Okay, you have to take your life on your hand. That's why just be a content creator and start content creating. Don't think that all the people think that you are talking illusionary. Content creating work is illusionary. It is the work illusionary. You have to assumption that all the people are seeing you, they are watching you, they are watching your content. And look, work any you will choose, you have to practice daily, upload daily, make a video daily, and give to quality quantity content to the audience. So my channel is providing you this kind of information. So that's why I really want that you really should become a content creator and start your own channel. Look, it's we are very fortunate that YouTube is not charging. Okay, I mean YouTube is giving one free channel. Okay, I mean one free channel YouTube giving everyone, that you can make a video, upload video, and once your channel will be monetized, you can earn money. YouTube give you opportunity. Otherwise, if just YouTube charge 40,000, 50,000, then tell me, if YouTube just charge 40,000, that if you have to start your own channel, you have to pay 40,000. Okay, so YouTube giving you opportunity 1 year, 2 years, maximum 1 year. I will assure you, maximum 2 years. Okay, if you are just giving quality content, of course your channel will be monetized, of course. But you have to make a video daily, and don't shame this the society and world and what is. Forget everything. Okay, all are just imaginary people. Okay, forget everything, just look at yourself, live with your own happiness. This is the only way. If you really want to live a good life, live your own happiness. If someone is stuck in your own opinions, just remove that person all time. Remove that all negativity, all the negative energy, remove it. All the negative person, remove it. Otherwise, you're gonna be mad to the world, okay? Because you always just care about what he will think, what she will think. No one will think, okay? No one has a time. No one has a time to think yourself. Right now you are easily seeing that NEET aspirant, okay? NEET aspirant, all the I mean, over last 5 years, last 5 years, tell me how many students you have heard that they are selected in Rajasthan police, they are selected in Delhi police, they are selected in UP police. How many? How many students you are heard that they are selected in army? In a you see that now army age limitation is 23. How many students? Because it's all about now make a circle 147 crore people, okay? And I know this is the game is running in 2008. Just I mean, you know what? Clean the garbage, clean the city, clean all the stuff, clean this world. This is the game start 2008 when swine flu was come. That's why if you just heard a breaking news that Shefali Shah, that I mean, look at this, a woman, I mean, Shefali Shah did work in a Satya movie, okay? And she did a very great job in a realistic movie, Satya movie, and 2 or 3 movies. I mean, Dil Dhadakne Do. I mean, 2 or 3 movies. I mean, she is saying this world in India also that just कुत्ते पालो पर औलादे एक भी मत पैदा करो. I mean, she is a woman and she did a realistic job, and now she give a statement. So now you can easily see that how important. Look, guys, when you just go to in a city, then you will see that then how many risk. How, I mean, it is a very risky area. Go to railway station, go to our train, visit to our train, visit to our roadways, visit to our buses, visit to our tempo, visit to our these mini bus. Just travel once, then you will easily see the difference. Human, I mean, and I am telling you, this is the game starting on after 2008. After 2008. This is the game started in this, clean this world, clean this city. Now, so now if you are clever enough, understand enough, so make this thing and live with yourself. Best thing. Otherwise, just visit to a Bangladesh. I mean, many content, just watch the Bangladesh. See that how people, I mean, what population will, I mean, like this. Where the sources? No sources. If you just see a many mosquito, then of course you will kill them. Of course, it's a mandatory. You have to kill all mosquito. You have no option. You have to kill mosquito. Otherwise, how you gonna live? Okay. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content for you. And first of all, again I'm telling you, start your content creation journey, because right now current situation there is a no option. I mean, content creation 1 year, 2 years if you will give, then of course your channel will be monetized. But you really should give. This is the best option, best option. Thank you very much.